Hello, this is Geoff with In-Depth Studies. Today we are in the book of Acts, chapter 14, verse 14. And here he's in Lystra and Derbe, and he is obviously on his missionary journey, but he says something that, at least on the surface, seems very strange to us. He says this, "But when the apostles Barnabas and Paul heard of this, they tore their clothes and rushed out into the crowd shouting," and then they gave a message. But I want us to focus on the phrase, the apostles Barnabas and Paul. Now, how can that be? We know that there's the 12 apostles, those directly chosen by Jesus. And we also know the apostle Paul was chosen by Jesus. But what about Barnabas? The problem is that we have a secondary definition for apostles. 2 Corinthians 8:23 talks about apostles. It's the identical word, but the typical translation is the representative of the churches. So apostle can either mean those directly chosen by the Lord, which Barnabas, there's no indication he was, or that they are representatives of the church. Well, both Paul and Barnabas were representatives of the church of Antioch. They were sent out on their missionary journey. So when this says in Acts 14:14, the apostles, Barnabas and Paul, how are we to determine which definition of apostle there is being referred to? I would say that it is referring to the definition that they are the representatives of the church of Antioch. Apostle in this sense, an apostle with a small a. So if this has been helpful, check out more of Geoff's thoughts on YouTube, and there you can subscribe to them. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.